Hello mga kapugi, nandito ako ngayon kay Jake Tech upang palitan ko yung itong stereo ko kasi nasira, hindi gumagana yung stereo niya pero gumagana yung back camera niya, kaya pinapalitan ko ito. Bumili tayo ng bago, mamaya isasalpak niya.
One second.
Hello, what's your name again, buddy?
Magic.
Magic is the master specialist at Jake Tech here in Scarborough. Anyone who wants to have this kind of services, just go to Jake Tech. Okay.
What is this guy doing?
Tinatanggal na yun. Yes, stereo. Pinanood ko sa video. Ayan, natanggal na. Tinatanggal na. Connections. Yeah. And papalitan natin ng CarPlay. Simple. Just a simple one. Yeah. It fits, right?
Yeah. But also modification. Okay. This is left. This is left. This is right. This is right. You have to take it, put it in here. Put it in, put it in. Left and right, it says, right?
Yeah, pero ilalagay yung nasa side para fit na fit. Okay, mamaya mga kapugi. Ito lang yung loob, oh. Okay. Yeah, mamaya ulit tayo. Oh, it's now setting up the cords. You know what, Magic? Before when the old one damaged, I went to your office there. But that time there's no CarPlay like this.
Yeah.
This one cost 1,000, eh?
I know.
This one, the old one.
Yeah.
So I was hesitant that time.
Oh yeah.
Now
They're cheaper.
yeah, it's cheaper because it has a lot of new kinds of CarPlays, like. But it's good now, right?
Oh yeah. This one is good.
Dali na sa akin nakakatulog. Easy. We call it Magic.
I was cleaning my van. Maar dan is pas van mijn kont. So quick.
Remote start? Remote start?
No, that's a radio.
License on them. I want a license on them.
Yeah, put in there.
I'm asking him license. Give me a license. Magic. He call himself a driver, he can drive shit. Quiet.
Ayan si boss. The boss. Boss check. Ayan mga kapogi. Yan sa loob yung ano, ginagawa. Ang bilis pero complicated. Complicated mga kapogi yung ano, yung mga wirings. Kaya kung ako lang gumawa, walay. Baka abutin tayo ng wala, hindi natin makaya. Kasi may mga coding yung mga yun eh. Ang daming connections. At yung wirings or mga terminals na ilagay sa binili kong CarPlay ay clinic-clip na lang. So ibig sabihin, alam na nila kung saan nila nilalagay. Ay kung tayo ay hindi natin alam, abutin tayo ng siyam-siyam. Kaya mas maganda, punta na lang kayo sa technician kung gusto nyo magpaayos ng anumang gusto nyo na mangyayari sa mga radio o stereo, car stereo ninyo, kaysa yung kayo lang gumagawa ng DIY. Okay mga kapogi, mamaya ulit tayo. Ayan na, sa loob gumagawa siya. Ayan mga kapogi, sinasalpak namin magic display. Bilis. Ulos lang sa. Yeah. Meron na. Bilis. Ayun.
Então, Jay, como essa canta aberta a slide? Como do sa one second? One check the again. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Mamaya ulit tayo mga kapogi pag matapos na niyan gawin. At mga kapogi, ito na ang resulta ng ginawa namin, pinagawa kong ano, CarPlay. Ganda mga kapogi, ano? Ayan, patugtugin natin. Patugtugin tayo. Patugtugin tayo. And out, baby, 'cause Ganda, no?
Of some sort. You mentioned the funeral, Jim.
So dito, laging ganito na ang aking CarPlay mga kapugi. Yung sira ko nga stereo noon, parang stereo noon ay ito na ang kwan.
Which, if you speak Latin like me, you know, means right of burial for Roman pontiffs.
Next video again mga kapugi. Salamat sa inyong panonood sa atin. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Is the first station.